Okay, first time getting a damaged box. Anyway, the Showbox colorway itself is fire. It has a gradient of gray to black with some grungy effect, which is really cool. The Jordan 1 High Wash Heritage is an OG colorway composed of gray, white and sail midsole with black outsole. It has extra pair of black laces, which is not really bad. Hey boss, Pinimanchaf here again, and in today's video I will share my honest opinion and recommendation if this is worth copying or not. If I will describe the shoe honestly in one word, it's pretty neutral. If you're a guy who's not into loud colorways, then this is perfect, but if you would ask me, I'll say the shoe is lackluster. However, the materials on this pair is top-notch, especially the suede overlays. The base is in white tumbled leather, which is pretty normal for a Jordan 1 High. I like the black outsole, and to be honest, this is the only part that is interesting on this pair. Now, if you really wanted a pair of this, I would say wait a little bit, because definitely the price of this one will drop because it's currently sitting. Or you could also buy the Jordan 1 High Stealth colorway, which in my opinion, the color blocking is better than the Wash Heritage. It is also in sale, meaning you get a good value for money. However, since the shoe is very neutral, I decided to add some grayish lace to complete the monochrome look. Trust me, I tried the bright ones like red and yellow and pink. They're kind of funny in my opinion. The default black is also good if you love more contrast between the tongue and eye stays. Now, what about the workmanship and quality of this release? I would say my pair is pretty acceptable, but I noticed some white blotches here on this area. I think it's because of the rubbing of the paper wrap against the suede overlays. Let me know guys if you have these issues as well, so that my OCD part of me will be on peace. The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Wash Heritage retains the classic Air Jordan 1 shape and structure with a high top cut, padded collar, perforated toe box and rubber capsule. The shoe fits true to size on me as always, and also very versatile and easy to style with. It can go well with jeans, cargos or chinos, but I prefer wearing them with my old faded jeans to accentuate the vintage vibe of the shoes. Now, if you want to ask me, I would rather get the Jordan 1 High Stealth over the Wash Heritage. In my opinion, the color blocking of the Stealth is better compared to this, and also it's on sale like I said earlier. But as always, follow your heart. I'm just stating here my own opinion, and I hope I managed to help you with your decision making. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you soon. Peace.